कोई वर्ड्स में लिखा है या कॉम्प्लेक्स है।
Hello students, in this video I am going to share kinds of
मुझे नहीं
shares.
समझ आ रहा क्या समझने की कोशिश कर रहे
So
हो।
first of all, what is a share? Each unit, each of such unit is called a share. Section 2 clause 36 of the Companies Act defines a share as a
बुक्स में
share
आपको
in the
सारे
capital
केसेस
of the
इकट्ठे दिए
company
हैं। मैंने आपको
and
पहले
includes
दिखाया
the
था कि
stock
पहले कैसे
except
केसेस
where
होते
a
थे तो
distinction
प्रेजेंट में कैसे
between
होते
the
हैं अभी
stock which
इमर्जिंग
share
में
is
कैसे होते हैं।
expressed
बुक्स
or
में आपको
implied.
ऐसा बाइफिकेशन मिलेगा ही नहीं। बुक्स में सारे केस और इकट्ठे दे दिए। ठीक है।
The
तो पास्ट
definition,
टेंस
this
बेसिकली पहले
definition
किस
is
तरह
simple
कोर्स
but is
वही
not
करते थे
exhaustive
बुक्स में
as it
आते थे।
fits to give a
प्रेजेंट
longer
टेंस का कभी
definition
जैसे
of
करते हैं
a
आप
share.
जब और वो ये नोट्स
Types
आपके
of
सामने
shares.
बेर आठ होने चाहिए
Equity
जिसमें
shares.
आपके क्लॉज की
All
बात कर रहे
shares which
हैं।
are not preference shares
पहले
are
चेन
equity
मारने पे
shares.
मत जाओ ना, पहले
These
नोट्स और बेर आठ
shares
करो।
carry no special
उसके बाद वो
privilege,
पूछेंगे।
added their rights and liabilities are governed by the articles of association of the company. In the eyes of law, equity shareholders are
अगर वो
not
तो अपनी
members of the
लैंग्वेज से या
company
कोलैबोरेट कर
because
सकते
the
हैं।
company has
बट
its
अपनी
own
लैंग्वेज में कुछ
independent
ऐसा
legal
मत लिखना जो
entity.
रेलिवेंट ही नहीं है।
Dividend is paid to the
वो
holders
कुछ
of
जो
these shares
ऑपोजिट
after the
व्यूज है।
preference and
आप अपनी
dividend at a
लैंग्वेज को
fixed rate has
एग्जिस्टिंग
been
नोट मतलब
paid.
अपनी लैंग्वेज को यूज करके एग्जिस्टिंग नोट्स पे इलैबोरेट कर सकते हो ना। तो ऐसा कुछ मत लिखो जो जिसका कोई सेंस ही नहीं बनता है या जो है लॉ ऐसे उसके ऑपोजिट आप लिखो।
Next is preference shares.
So focus
Under
on where are the
85,
notes है तो
Section
वहाँ
85
समझने
clause
के
1
बाद
of
आप
the
बुक्स
Companies
पढ़िए।
Act, preference
नोट्स
share is
नहीं
one
समझ आ रहे तो
which
नोट्स पूरी
fulfills
तरह
the
पढ़िए।
following
नोट्स
two
नहीं समझ आ रहे तो
conditions.
सीधा बुक्स पे मत
With
जाओ तो
respect
और
of dividend,
कंफ्यूजन
it
पहले
carries a
नोट्स को समझो।
preferential right to be paid a fixed
ठीक
amount
है।
or an amount calculated at a fixed rate.
नो प्रॉब्लम।
With respect of capital, it carries a preferential right to be repaid the amount of the capital paid up in the event of winding up of the company. In other words, the amount paid on preference shares must be paid back before anything is paid to equity shares. Next is types of preference shares. The preference share may be of two following types. First is cumulative preference share. These shares are entitled to dividend at a fixed rate, whether there are profits or no profits. If in a particular year, due to inadequate amount of profits, the dividend could not be paid, then the unpaid dividend shall be carried forward to the subsequent years and shall be paid in the succeeding year out of the profits along with the fixed dividends for that year. Next is non-cumulative preference shares. These are the shares on which the dividend does not go on accumulating. If in a particular year there are no profits, then or in aggregate the shareholders shall not get anything or receive a partial dividend and they cannot claim the arrears of dividend in the subsequent years. In simple words, on such shares the unpaid dividends do not accumulate but lapse, that is, the shareholders lose them forever. Participating preference shares. The holders of such shares are entitled to receive dividend at a fixed rate and in addition they have a right to participate in the surplus profit along with the equity shareholders after dividend at a certain rate has been paid to the equity shareholders. In the event of winding up, if after paying back both the preference and equity shareholders, there are surplus assets, then the holders of such shares shall be entitled to share in the surplus assets as well. Such shares can be issued only if there is a clear provision in the memorandum of article of association or the terms of issue. Next is non-participating preference shares. The holder of such shares are entitled to only a fixed rate of dividend and do not participate further in the surplus profit. If the articles are silent, all preference shares are deemed to be non-participating. Next is convertible preference shares. The holders of such shares have a right to convert these shares into equity shares within a certain period. Non-convertible preference shares. The preference shares where the holders have no right to convert their shares into equity shares are known as non-convertible preference shares. Convertible preference shares. The holder of such shares. Next is convertible preference shares. The holders of such shares have a right to convert these shares into equity shares within a certain period. Non-convertible preference shares. The preference shares where the holders have no right to convert their shares into equity shares are known as non-convertible preference shares. Redeemable preference shares. Ordinarily, the amounts received by the company on shares is not returned except on the winding up of the company. A company limited by shares, if authorized by its articles, may issue preference shares which are to be redeemed or repaid after a certain fixed period. So this was all about shares and their kinds. Thank you so much.